Guys and gals, in this video I am going to show us how to do the 1.7 Illustrator CNC project. Alright, first of all, one of the things that I think I've done in most of my classes is I've walked you through watch this video right here, which explains the AWS process, which you have to get logged in and make sure you link your Google Drive to the actual AWS system. And this is how you're going to access Illustrator to your Chromebook. All right. Things that we're going to be doing here is we're making a piece out of on Illustrator that my laser in the room is going to cut out for us. So working on a keychain, backpack tag, earrings. There's a whole lot of ideas you can research and find to do with your 2x2-inch space that will be engraved and cut out by the laser. We will understand how computer controls machines to make objects. This process is called computer numerically controlled, or CNC machining. Alright, I'm going to update this video section here. This is what I'm making this video for right now, but this is where you're going to find the videos that will walk you through the process, and I'll make a little I guess YouTube playlist for that, and then start by researching wood laser engraving projects. If you don't know what you want to do yet, just kind of follow through the idea here of the video, and this should help you. Alright, so getting started, you should have downloaded this template. Alright, which downloaded template is when you're coming in here. Alright, we want to then come over to this other side right here where it says download. This is going to take it to our actual machine as far as we whipped it off the internet. Now the next thing we're going to do is go into our Google Drive. So I'm just going to open a new folder here and go to my Google Drive, and I want to insert this into my Google Drive and put it into my 8th grade industrial tech folder, the same folder we use for our SketchUp assignments. So coming in here, I go new, I do a file upload, and right away I want to search from my most recent download. So I'm going to go into my downloads. The last thing I have right there is laser tag. You can see that I have it 7 times on my machine. At the same time, I want to select that. I want to hit open. It is uploading that. Alright, I have numerous ones in here, so I'm going to update the existing. And the next thing is, mine popped in as the first thing. If I slide down my drive, it popped in as my first thing right here, and I want to right click and I want to move this to the folder that I have set up, and that should be my 8th grade industrial tech folder, which I think I have in my classes, and hit move. Alright, so starting that's how we're going to get to our actual document, is by saving it in our Google Drive. Alright, so this is the kind of getting started video. Watch the next video to find out how to open it up and to start making your cut lines. Thanks for watching.